What if your online store could predict what customers want before they even search? Most people get this wrong, but here's why personalization is the future of e-commerce. Today, we're reviewing Bloomreach and what it really offers. Bloomreach is a digital experience and personalization platform used by large brands. It helps businesses deliver personalized content, product recommendations, and search results across websites and apps. The platform analyzes customer behavior, browsing history, and preferences. You won't believe what happens next when shoppers start seeing products they actually want, which often increases sales and conversion rates. Bloomreach is powerful but complex. Setup requires technical resources and ongoing optimization. It is not designed for small stores with limited budgets. The surprising truth is that Bloomreach shines when used by data-driven teams. If you're scaling fast and want advanced personalization, it's a strong choice. Subscribe now for more honest software reviews.